In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Over here. Now scroll again to tap on Device Unlock and click on Screen Lock. Following that, tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password, and finally create it. Hit Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it to confirm it, and hit Confirm. Now answer this question by selecting one of those options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!